Okay, so we've just opened up that video that we just recorded with the bubbles in our analytics, so I was recording that. So here we can see the mouse generating the particle in the beginning, and then my eyes will take over when I look at the screen, and now you can see basically the interaction path that my eyes are taking around the screen as I'm responding to the particle that I'm generating. Okay, that was the first interaction point, so you can see that I began by pressing B to enter objects into the screen. And when we have an object in the screen and we target it, it provides an interaction point. So we know when someone interacted with an object, what the time difference was from when the object appeared and when they interacted and so on, which can tell us a whole bunch of information when it comes to kind of responding to receptive language prompts for things that are going on in the screen, or if we're talking about a kind of a narrative or we're looking at an overlay concept. We can basically use this information to see how long it's taken to people to respond to different stimuli and interact with it. So you get all of this information from it. We also have multiple layers within our analytics. So you saw that at the beginning it started off with the mouse cursor moving to create the stimuli, and then I took over and this green is basically showing us the eye tracking data. Over here on the analytics information field, we also have data for switch inputs, Xbox inputs, and so on. So we can basically differentiate by layer which analytics we're interested in. So it's not always eye gaze, as we mentioned before. You can utilize this with mouse if you want to. You can utilize this with game controllers. You can utilize this with switches as well. But you will always get the front camera screen on the right hand side to show you how someone's eyes were actually responding to what's going on in the scene. Obviously there's a whole bunch of more complicated things that I can go into more detail about, but that's just a quick overview of what you're seeing here with regards to the bubble scene that we've loaded up.